Okay, this is an integration problem, and looking at it, it looks extremely difficult to do, all right? And what I'm going to claim over here is that a lot of times when you think things are extremely difficult to do, maybe it's related to something that you've already done. And this one is. What's it related to? The exact prior problem. So we did this one. We actually did this partial fraction decomposition, and we get this over here. A little bit tricky, but we got there. So to integrate this one, what I did was I took the integrand, partial fraction decomposition. I made a u substitution, relatively simple. U is x minus 2. What do you get? 1 over u to the 12th. Let's see, 6 over u to the 13th, and then 11 over u to the 14th. I like to rewrite these guys. You don't have to. But rewriting this guy over here, I'd write this down as u to the minus 12. Then I'd write down plus 6u to the minus 13. And then I'd write this as 11 u to the minus 14. Do not feel obligated to do so. I notice there's an error over here. I need to correct it. And that dx should be crossed off. And a du should be written down. I'll correct that. You won't see that. That's a du. What do you get over here? Well, simple integration. You're adding 1 to the exponent. You get u to the minus 11. And you divide by minus 11. This one over here is going to be 6. You're going to add 1. That's minus 12 over minus 12. And this one's going to be plus 11. Add 1, u to the minus 13 over minus 13. Let me just go through that with you. I just rewrote those guys. Minus 1 over u to the 11th. I reduced it. That's going to be minus 1 half u to the 12th. This one's minus 11 thirteenths over u to the 13th. All right? And then some constant integration. The next thing I did was I went back to the land of x's by making a substitution where u is equal to x minus 2. And that's all I did over here. Nothing's changed. Another thing I want to recommend to you is that, although not necessary, you may want to simplify this. And I did that by combining those 3 fractions together to get this. Don't feel I have to do this. This is your goal over here. This is the goal. If you can get there, you did a great job. Thank you.